I'm looking really radiant, really rested, but wait until you see this. Let me take it off. Then I'm going to teach you exactly what I use and how I cheat the radiant look, especially when you're over the age of 45. I'm excited to show you not just the products that make instant radiance, but the tips as well that are really going to help you with your makeup, whether it's using anything from this tutorial or anything that you already have at home. This little tip I'm about to share makes such a difference. If you use a hydrating spritz before your makeup, not only does it plump out any fine lines, it makes your skin just so juicy and so radiant. It's really, really cool. So this isn't a makeup setting spray. This is to add hydration, because when our skin looks hydrated, our skin looks naturally radiant. And now this is called Plump and Glow. It does give your skin a real radiant glow. This is going to settle down, it's going to dry, it's going to plump out our wrinkles, and it's going to just make our skin ready for our makeup application. We're also going to use this after our makeup as well, because when you seal the two together, it just makes the makeup look even more radiant. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply this. Now this is called Cosmic Glow, and it's a radiance booster. So it's skincare meets makeup, and I like to put this all over my face before my makeup, and then I'll also put it onto the tops of my cheekbones and other high points of my face after my makeup. Now this suits every skin tone, and the best thing is, whilst you wear it, it has really clever peptides in it that helps your collagen be boosted. So it's kind of like makeup meets skincare. Now can you see, I'm putting it on and instantly my skin looks radiant. Now this is going to help your makeup look smoother, it's going to help your makeup look more radiant, and it's going to completely transform lackluster, dull skin. And I think as we get older, so I'm in my late 40s, and certainly as I've got older, I've noticed that my skin looks a little bit more dull. But can you see, this gives me that radiance. Now, if I could just get rid of these dark circles, I'd look probably, I wouldn't really need much makeup, but I do have dark circles. Lucky for me, and you if you have dark circles, I have this, which is called Rested and Youthful, because this perfects dark circles and other areas of your face that you just want to completely conceal, like age spots, rosacea, and I have psoriasis. So this is so clever because you need very little, but it creates such a powerful punch. Let me show you. So I'm just going to put a couple of dots here. And then with my ring finger, I'm simply going to tap in. And by tapping in, it's going to melt the product into my dark circle. I'm not wiping, I'm being really gentle. And just wait until you see that magic. If you want your skin to look perfect, these are the areas I will wear this. So I'm going to put it around the corner of my nose. Okay, next up, I don't think I need to do much more, but if you're watching this and you suffer with rosacea, you'd simply do a few little whiskers like that on where you have rosacea, and you would just press in and that rosacea would be instantly gone. I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead just to perfect my forehead. That's all I need. I'm wearing shade medium. There's lots of shades available of this. A little bit on my chin. Just blend that out. And then that's, it looked, no one would ever know I'm wearing makeup. I do have psoriasis here, so let's put a little bit where the psoriasis is. Pat in. And that's gone. It gives me so much confidence. And I've still got this lovely radiant. Because I'm not covering all my skin in foundation, it's allowing the lovely hydration from this, the radiance from this to just gleam through and look beautiful. Okay, so let's just do this side of my face so I can build up a real difference. So the next thing I'm going to do, I have to show you something else. A little bit of the Rested and Youthful just on my brow bone, just to perfect my brow bone, because I have discoloration on my eyelid. It's just tiredness, I guess. But if I perfect my brow bone, it makes my eye discoloration look like eyeshadow. How cool is that? Exciting. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm looking down because I'm seeing what else I've got to show you. This. Now this is an eyeshadow cream and it's in a neutral colour, which means it pretty much suits everyone. And wait until you see how radiant and pretty and quick and easy this is to use. Little dab here, pinky finger, blend upwards into the socket to give yourself a little eye lift. And you can see lovely radiant shadow. So quick and easy. Let's put a little bit more on just so you can really see how radiant it can look. So you can see I did one little dab, looked quite natural, but if you were going for a night out, you could do another, and it just, you know, when you kind of move your eye, it just gives this lovely, stunning, radiant look. Okay, next up, let's give our eyes a real pop. So we've added this radiance, but let's really bring our eyes to life, because when our eyes are really open and large looking, our face just looks more radiant. So I'm using this. This is called Doe Eyes. It is my holy grail smudge proof mascara that is like lash extensions in a tube. Wait until you see this. I'm going to do one layer to start with. To the bottom lashes. Now, because this is smudge proof, it does mean you can put it on your bottom lashes, which I think makes your eyes look a lot more open. And when your eyes look more open, I think naturally your face just looks more awake and radiant. Okay, so that's one coat. Let's do another one. Now, because this has lash extensions in it, you don't wipe the tube, you simply knock any off the top there. But you're not going to wipe it like this, because you're going to wipe off all the tiny lash extensions in here. So you're just going to use this straight onto your lashes like this. This is now my second coat. And all I'm doing is essentially blinking onto the wand. And that blinking onto the wand is giving me lash extensions. Look at that. And can you see just how natural as well this is looking? I mean, no one would know that I have dark circles. I mean, obviously you do, but if I was out, no one's going to know. No one's going to know that I have psoriasis around the side of my face because I've used this. It just gives me so much confidence. Okay, that's my second layer. Now, I fully appreciate you might not want your lashes this long every day, but I did want to show you what this can do. I mean, you can see I don't have hardly any lashes, but I mean, they're just, it's crazy, so cool. So the next thing I'm going to share with you is this lovely palette here. Now this is a mixture of lovely bronzes and peaches and pinks that creates the most beautiful complexion. And this has a gentle sheen to it, so when you pop it onto your face, it creates a lovely radiant look, but also wakes up your complexion too. So we're going to take this brush, we're going to dab it into all of the shades here, we're going to tap it off, we're going to go from the top of our ear and we're going to flick it down like this. And this is going to create a beautiful sculpted look to our face. Ready? Let's go. I think that has just lifted my face. It's sculpted my cheekbone. Let's add a little bit more just around the corners of my forehead, a little bit around my jawline to give my jawline extra strength, extra dimension. Then let's take a Q-tip and let's put it in this white shade here. And then let's put this just around our tear duct area here. And this is going to give the illusion of beautiful, bright, wide awake eyes. Like so. Give a little smudge. Look, simple little tips that make such a difference. Let's take a little bit more and put it just under our brows, just on our brow bone here. Just to give us a little bit of a lift. Wow, that makes such a difference. Love it, love it. Now let's take the Q-tip and we're going to put it into this shade here. We're going to make our eyes look a little bit smoky. Going to run this just under our lower lash line. Smoke it out a bit, a little bit of definition. This might be something you want to do on an evening out. It's a really easy way to create a beautiful, natural eye makeup look. So pretty. Then let's take our ring finger, pop it into the pink shade. Just a little, add it to our apples of our cheeks, like so. So pretty. I love that. It's made such a difference. We're going to get our Cosmic Glow that we used at the start, put a little bit onto the back of our hand, and then we're just going to tap this over the top of our cheekbone, just on the top there. Look, instant radiance, instant lift, really, really beautiful. Let's add a little bit under our brows here. Wow. Let's put a little bit on our Cupid's bow. That is looking so natural, so radiant. I'm obsessed. Look. Right, lipstick. I've got such a lovely lipstick for you. Let me show you. This is one of my all-time favorite shades and formulas. Look how pretty this looks and how radiant. It's sheer, so it shows a little bit of my skin through, but it's so lovely because look, it's got the lovely sheen on it, which I think just adds that lovely radiance. So pretty. And even you could take a little bit and pop it on your cheeks like that. Look how radiant that looks. Then, do you remember I used my hydrating spray at the start? Let's put this on now to really add that radiant glow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, let me do this side. What do we think? Makeup radiance for mature skin. I love it. It gives me so much confidence. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye. Use code 20 for 20% off 3 makeup must-haves today in my store, Beauty and the Boutique.